Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this new video I would like to show you something maybe a little bit different from the usual, which is a portable speaker. So maybe not high-end, it's not based on vacuum tubes, but nevertheless it came out really well, it's very satisfying and allowed me to have quality listening even when on holiday, for example. So I hope you enjoy the video and thank you very much for your attention. This is the front view of my Bluetooth portable speaker. As you can see, this is composed by a 5-inch woofer. This is basically configured like a subwoofer. It takes care of all frequencies below 120 Hz, more or less, and also is composed by two 4 inches speakers. They are coaxial speakers. They are made by Ciare. The speaker is currently working through the battery. We have a 12 volt 9 ampere hour battery, which can support the operation for about between 6 and 8 hours. As you can see, the unit is not connected to the power network. This is the rear panel of my speaker. Here you can see the voltmeter, which allows to keep the battery charging under control. This is the global, the switch for all the electronics. This is an USB charger, which I can use in order to charge mobile phones, etc. I find it pretty handy. This is the plug for the power network. In this moment it's disconnected because it's working by means of the integrated battery. And this is the input selection switch. In this moment we have the Bluetooth input selected. Second position, the FM radio. I don't have antenna hooked up, but yeah, as you can hear, I can anyway pick up some stations. This is the tuning, as you can see, and the FM radio is included in the chassis, so we have an integrated FM tuner module. And this is the auxiliary input. You can see the two RCA analog input. Back to the antenna tuner, back to the FM tuner, and to the Bluetooth module. This is the volume control, the global volume control. These are the 3 tone controls, bass, medium and treble. And as you saw before, this is the tuning knob for the integrated FM tuner. This is for the FM antenna. And these are the 2 analog inputs. This is the switch for the battery. By means of this switch I can completely disconnect the integrated battery. Here you can see my portable speaker with the back panel removed. You can see the subwoofer, the HW159 component by Ciare, and the 2 satellite speakers. These are 2 CZ100 component by Ciare. As I mentioned before, these are 2 4 inches coaxial speakers. All the speakers are mounted in a completely sealed enclosure, and the 2 satellite speakers have their own chamber, which will be completely sealed. The electronics is being fitted in. I think this is the only project you see on my YouTube channel for which I didn't develop the electronics. In this case, I prefer to purchase, in this case, D-class amplifier cards online. And in particular, as you can see, the subwoofer is driven by a D-class amplifier based on the TPA3116 chip. This can provide an output power of about 30 watt if the chip is powered by 24 volts. The two satellite speakers are driven by two TA2024 D-class amplifiers, each one of them providing about 15 watts. The third card you can see on the left is a protection card, which, as the name suggests, provides protection and also initial delay. So the subwoofer speaker is engaged with a little bit of delay from the startup. This is the FM tuner module. As you can see, it's based on the TDA 7000. This is a chip produced by Philips in the early 80s, which really provides FM tuner capabilities on a single chip. In this case, this board comes from a kit which was proposed by an Italian magazine, Nuova Elettronica, in the early 80s. The unit can be powered either by battery or with the power network. If the power network is disconnected, of course, the only source is a battery. If the power network is connected, the battery gets recharged as well. And in order to manage all that, I have deployed a small UPS, and you see it on the bottom left part of this picture. In the upper left part, you can see a DC converter. This is utilized for the subwoofer amplifier. This elevates the 12 volt from the battery to 24 volt for the TPA3116 D-class amplifier for the subwoofer. Then here we have the preamplifier. This is a tone control, a three-way tone control, volume control, and subwoofer filter as well. Finally, we have the Bluetooth receiver module. You can see it on the bottom right part of this picture. Works have been completed. You can see here a nice, I think, a view of the unit completed. So this portable Bluetooth speaker is ready to go, ready to provide good sound on the move.